This was supposed to be a simple and clean GT4 race.
I just got 2 overtakes.
But chaos immediately on the starting line. My good mate gets pit maneuvered.
Nice.
Complete chaos, just big old pile up.
Yeah, I'm back on.
This was a cold tires, it was tight pack. Everyone here is D-class rated pretty much, so lots of wheel-to-wheel racing. Nobody really knows what they're doing. Probably not a lot of skill behind the wheel. I'm going to say that because I also didn't have much skill behind the wheel. So it was really, really difficult. In GT4, it's super dangerous in the lower strength of fields. I tried to like stay calm, just leave space, brake early, avoid all of the failures, but I also was constantly surrounded by people, and the last thing you want in these low strength of field races is to just get absolutely bodied, just slammed from behind and pushed out of a corner. So I was trying to race really cleanly, which is difficult because I also had very little experience in the car. All of these split-second decisions that I had to make to stay on the road were super difficult to make because I didn't know what inputs, whether more steering, less steering, more brake, how much. Like I didn't test the edge of grip for this particular car before hopping into a race. That's part of the downsides, but this is such a chaotic first lap. I haven't even cut anything yet, and there's been so many crashes and still one ahead. Pretty early on, I realized that this race wasn't really going to be about pace, it was just going to be about staying on the road without spinning. There were so many crashes that I just tried to survive. That was my only goal. I wasn't trying to be really quick, I just wanted to survive. Of course, I had my own little spin, in fact I had a couple. But I wasn't trying to make hero moves or lunges or defend even. I was just trying to survive. And when kind of everyone spread out a little bit, it was actually really fun. The car was heaps fun to drive, but the tires were a lot more peaky. Like as soon as you'd lose grip, you would lose grip, which caused a lot more people to spin. I think in the GR86s and the M2s, the lower class, the tires, when you lose grip a little bit, you can almost catch it. But with this, catching it is a lot more difficult. So I think that's why there were so many spins, and that was something that I had to get used to. One of the skills that I can try and hone and put in my back pocket, I'm going to know that I need it for the GT3s and the LMPs. In the end, I finished P17 with 0.6 negative to the SR. And -6 iRating as well. That'll be the only GT4 race because I went straight back to the car that I was familiar with, trying to gain iRating and gain safety rating. So now enjoy some live voiceover during the race. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Whoa. Brake pretty early.
You're on the right, 3 wide, clear left, on your left, clear left.
Watch out for Eric, that's the guy in front of me, blue car. Seems like he races pretty hard. But he's higher safety than me, so it should be fair. But we'll see. Take that at partial throttle, full throttle out of gear. Opening lap, so I'm not trying to push too hard. There will be dirty air, so I want to brake a little bit earlier. Shift down.
The guy in front is Gonzalez.
That was good. Lots of slipstream here.
On your right. Clear right. Left side. Hold your line. Still there. Clear left, car left, clear left.
Sorry Eric, I didn't mean to hit you on that one. Outbrake myself. That's when I can't see my brake line, unfortunately. I am, they're all lifting through there.
On your right. Hold your line. Clear right.
Not the best place to overtake, but I have a big pace filter against these guys.
Car right, clear right.
The track temperature's fallen. It's now 41 Celsius.
Oh, I have a lot of pace with these guys, but yeah. Obviously they're all being held up by someone.
Right side.
Really want to be a part of this, if I'm honest.
Hold your line. Clear right.
Stay back and then get a good
Car left,
acceleration
clear left.
out.
Left
Oh
side,
my goodness,
clear
that was
left.
terrifying.
Right side. Hold your line. Still
Come on,
there.
Danny. Let me go.
Hold your line.
Okay, didn't have to hit me.
Hold your line.
Stop hitting me, Danny, man. Relax.
Still there. Clear right.
We have damage.
I think he's going to try and hit me here.
Right side.
There's a chance, we'll see.
Hold your line. Still there. Hold your line. Still there. Clear right. Left side. Clear left.
The driver in front is clumsily
Mate,
leading.
Danny,
Their
relax.
rating is 1.5.
¿Qué haces,
Okay,
loco?
Ethan, halfway home.
Bro, you're driving terribly.
P11.
Leave space.
Get it, do it.
Okay, Ethan, 5 minutes to go, 5 minutes left. We'll look in orbit.
Car right. Clear right.
Through, yes. Nice one. Dust.
The gap in front is now 1.0.
No, off track. Much better run than these guys. Can I cause some chaos here? Probably not. But I can certainly brake early.
Your left. Clear left.
Get a bit of rotation.
Right side.
Oh, that might be
Clear right.
the move. Oh, that was good. Almost back up to P7 where I started. But yeah, 109.807 was my fastest lap.
P8, okay. it's
109.378 was the fastest lap. Nice racing, everybody. That was awesome. Yeah, thanks. Thanks for the races. Here, I think this is where I make a lot of moves. So they're all outside, they're blocking up. And so I can just take the inside here pretty well. And I think this is Danny. Myself some space and try and take a fast exit. These guys have a bit of a crash. Which is a very clean overtake. We are neck and neck, and he just decides to turn into me. Into me like that. He knows I'm right there, and he still turns into me. Turns into me. Like, it's not very good. Not bad. Fastest lap of a 109.80. 109.807. Alright, let's go. Oh, looks like a bit of chaos might happen up ahead. These guys are not having a good time. Take a pretty safe corner into that one. I don't think there's anyone next to me, but I don't really want to find out either. Ooh. Avoid that one.
Dean Stubbs, was it?
Oh. Get close to that guy.
Okay, the next car is Pablo. C license.
Car right. Clear right. On your right. You're on the left. 3 wide. Clear right. Right side. 3 wide. You're on the left. You're in the middle.
That was unfortunate.
Hold your line. Hold your line. Hold your line. Clear right. Your left.
Oh!
Still there.
That was wide.
Clear all round.
Got damage.
Of course I have damage. Pablo can spin. That was unfortunate. Kind of got caught up in this guy T-boning the guy in front of him. And then he's going to brake super early here.
On your right. Clear right.
Honestly, I'm just going to take the off track and try and stay ahead. Got to slow down, but I'll just do that in the end corner.
You have 5 incident points. You'll need to slow down if you don't want a penalty. The guy in front is Crowley, C licence.
Far left. Hold your line.
Yes, got him. Alright, stayed ahead and shook off the slow down. I feel like he should give it up because of the damage to his car.
Oh, for God's sake, Jason, you can't push in front of me when you haven't cleared me, for Christ's sake.
Still there.
Oh, this is... Oh, let's do that.
Still there.
That should be a better start, but it's just not. Let's get in this guy's draft. See what I can do here. He's really going to defend, is he?
On your right. Clear right.
Not quite the switchback I was hoping for, but definitely threw him off his line. And now the other guys are catching up behind. Come on, mate. Just give it up.
That's 5 minutes to go. 5 minutes. Okay, Ethan. No chances here. Let's make sure we can take them.
Oh, that was bad.
Point limits.
Sorry, Yusuf. That was bad, but I feel like low-key he was holding me up.
On your right.
Thanks, Jace.
Still there.
My last lap wasn't the best, but second to last was good.
P8. And there's the finish. Well done. Good result.
P8's not bad. Right then. Honestly, pretty eventful race. Let's watch that replay. So here I thought, alright, he's out here. He's going to have to brake earlier and go really slowly around, and he'll block my exit. So I thought, you know what, I'm just going to take the off track because Pablo behind, well, he's getting too close. Just boom, hit. And to be honest, he shouldn't have been driving slowly because it's a race, but like, I think this is just my fault. I just hit him. Go to the race results. That is a positive of 0.12, which puts me at 361. A positive of 17, which almost gets me back up to 1400 on my road, basically to 2K is what I'm aiming for. So I want 2K I rating, and I want to get to A class, like safety rating, but